In this video, I will show you how to create a wireframe in draw.io. You can do this in two different ways. You can use a ready-made template, or you can build the wireframe manually from scratch. I will show you both methods. First, let's use a template. Click on the plus icon on the left, then select Template. In the search bar, type Wireframe. You will see different wireframe templates you can choose from. Select the one you like. I will pick this example. Click Insert and your wireframe will appear on the canvas. From here, you can customize it however you want. You can change text, adjust colors, move elements around, and design your layout quickly. Next, if you want to create a wireframe manually, go to the More Shapes button at the bottom left. Click on it. In the Software category, find Mockups and check the box to enable it. Click Apply. You will now see a full set of mockup shapes on the left, including buttons, containers, forms, input fields, and more. You can drag and drop these elements and build your wireframe from scratch. This is useful if you want full control over your design. That is how you create a wireframe in draw.io, either using templates or by building it manually. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more draw.io guides.